Good morning. It is getting really bright out here. It is day 12 of our Aussie English Challenge. Today, I want you to write 3 simple sentences. You could write the 3 simple sentences under this video. You could also write it by hand on paper, if you would prefer. Sometimes I find if we write things by hand, it helps to go into our brains. Here are 3 simple sentences that you can write. I had a good day. I had a good day. If you want it to be a bit more Aussie, you could say, I had a beaut day. I had a beaut day. You could write, I went for a walk. I went for a walk. If it was just a slow walk, nothing too strenuous, you could say, I went for a stroll. I went for a stroll. You could write, now I'm taking it easy. I'm taking it easy. There are some people on the beach walking with their dogs. Here's one of the dogs now.